Oh, we thank God for a successful ending. Ebusiafo mo amohwe design no mo frɛfrɛ ne yɛ ne adwuma ma mo. Na we pa o amano ne wo bedu ga na bɛka sɛ da bi enye ofie ni nti yɛ de watwam. Na design na asesa fie no kama. Ati mo de sɛ de adwuma ne te wa wo hwɛ ne adwuma ne fɛ sɛ de ho ate kama perfect work no. But I'm on fret, baby, I will be as long as I work Ghana and Quad, Beba Bayama. Secret roofing, windows, fence wall, baby, Bayama, kama. The dam was say, where I every mountains, a honey, man. Yeah, we are here for coping or parapet. This is secret roofing, so we are here. So before, this is how it is before we came. Let's see how it is. And we'll be doing design on the beam. So he's doing the chiseling work. So coping, we'll be doing the coping parapet. So this is how it is. We're going all around. It will be done.
So that was Abraham for you, our windows and wall pillars design. As you see, he's working on a coping for a client, here on the channel. Abraham has done an amazing job here on the channel. Not only on mine, I've also seen a lot of his work on other YouTube channels. And I'm happy to really bring him on board to show his talent and what he has. If you need his contact, you can, get in touch with him directly. As I said, he's a very good person. He has been on projects where like the owners, trust him so much that he becomes the one rather buying the materials for the workers. He becomes the manager on that project. He's very educated, like I know Abraham all the way from secondary school. We went to the same senior high school. We both studied the same course, we did science, and we also live in the same dormitory. So I really know who he is, how he lives, because we were in the boarding school for 4 years. So I've known him like personally, like for 4 years, and then after that we both went our ways. But in total, I'll say I've known Abraham for the past 13 years. So putting him here on the channel, I already know he's a hardworking guy, and I've seen what he's doing for other people. It's amazing, man.
So at the end of the day, this is what we came out with. Look at it. Very nice. Attractive. Contact us on YouTube via Gigo Production Group. We are the best. No matter how the design you want, as long as it's secret roofing, if it's window design, fence wall design, anyhow you want it, just call. We are there to deliver. Thank you.
So if you want to see more of Abraham's work, you click on my picture, you go to my profile, you go to the playlist as always. You scroll down, you see most of the projects that we are working on. But then we are looking for Abraham. So we go for the windows and wall design, and there you will see all the works that he's been doing. These are the ones that we have on the channel. I mean, we are allowed to post it on the space. There are a lot more, but we do respect our clients a lot. So, but I've seen what he's doing. So, if you're interested, this is the way to see more of his work. You can also pick up one or two design or styles, see what other people are doing, and then you make your own creation. So, yeah, Abraham, that is his number on the screen. Just get in touch with him, ask all the questions, and I believe he will be able to answer all your questions. And if you need estimate, also he's ready to give it to you. You can also check other videos in my playlist to follow most of the project that we are working on. So I think this brings us to the end of today's episode. I really do appreciate your time spent here on the channel. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel. Almost at 7K. Let's do it by the end of the month, and I will see you in my next episode. Let's do it.